understands two emotions, love and fear. And that is all this baby needs to know, because these emotions are the basis of our existence. Love comes in abundantly, and fear is there to protect us. Sweet little baby is experiencing life as pure love, and fear only comes when he is hungry, or startled, or needs to be held closely. The baby lets the world know when he needs something with the simplest of alerts, crying. Not a single person likes a baby's cry. People do everything they can to soothe a baby's tears. Luckily, when the sweet one is well tended to, he does not cry too much and is in a complete state of love. His belly is full and round from drinking his mother's milk. His body is growing effortlessly because he is held often by his strong, loving father. He is being guided and protected by those around him. People look him deeply in the eyes and cannot look away because they are mesmerized by this little one's gaze. When he falls asleep, the house becomes hushed so that he slumbers deeply and soundly. Those who love this little baby are delighted to see him asleep and watching him dream, bringing a smile to their faces. The world around him hushes when the baby sleeps, while he enjoys his rest. The little baby knows nothing but love from those around him, so sleep comes easily and naturally. They wrap him in cozy blankets and give him fresh diapers, making him so cozy when he sleeps. They hold him gently and sing sweet songs to him, so sleep comes quickly. The world wishes this baby all the love and prosperity it has to offer. And the world knows how important sleep is for all of us. The little baby is sleeping so soundly right now, wrapped in the softest blanket, breathing deeply and evenly, cradled in someone's arms. His eyes are gently closed, and his cheeks and lips are full and beautiful. His skin is pure and soft. His breath is so gentle, it can barely be heard.